Hey, my Tea Party Squad, welcome back to another video. If you are new here or have been watching for a while, go right on ahead, click that red subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos here at my Tea Party. Now I am going to be flipping through this Gardenings 2 sticker book, okay? At my Tea Party, you guys know I love to share planner related videos, DIY projects, and also occasionally I will throw in some sticker book flip throughs. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. And if you have not seen my Gardening 1 sticker book flip through, please make sure you check that out after this video. So let's jump right on in to this gardening. I'm just going to be flipping through, maybe sharing some tips and ideas of how I'm going to be using this. So sharing is caring. So please feel free to go ahead and leave me a comment down below in the comment section. And feel free to let me know how you would be using this Gardening 2 or any one of these sticker books in this Bloom bundle. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Again, this is the Gardening 2 sticker book, and this one is 20 pages as well, but this one has 411 pieces. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right in. I just unboxed this, and so this is my first time seeing this with you, and I am super excited. So what I like about this is that this says never stop growing. Love this. I just think that this could be another option. If you saw my Gardenings 1 sticker book flip through, and I was in that video and I was talking about how you can use that first sticker book as like documenting your plants, harvest time and all that. And I think that's just in conjunction with it. So maybe that's why it's a part 2. But I like how it has time to plant. You can list those plants when you purchase them, where you purchase them. And then, of course, they give you these beautiful stickers that says time to plant, time to harvest, repot, feed plants, pull weeds. Y'all, this is awesome. You can just use a regular planner. So if you're new to planning and you're just not for sure what to use your planner for, or if you're like me, you have all the things, you have extra planners that you're not using but they need to be used, take those planners and create your own gardening planner, and you can use these stickers in here to the flip through of the Gardenings 2 sticker book flip through. So if you enjoyed this sticker book flip through, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and caring is sharing. So please feel free to share with me how you would be using this Gardenings 2 sticker book. So don't forget to check out my Gardenings 1 sticker book flip through if you have not seen that already. And please stay tuned, because at my tea party, I will have some more flip throughs coming this way really soon. So please make sure, if you are new here, click that red subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can get notified when I upload new videos here at my tea party. And all of my returning Tea Party squad, please don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Just let me know that you stopped in and you enjoyed this flip through. So until next time, I'll see you at my next tea party.